AI is reshaping work, but are your jobs at risk? Discover which roles AI will actually replace in 2026 and what skills you need to stay ahead right now. Despite fears, AI is not fully replacing most jobs in 2026. According to experts, AI is designed to augment roles, helping people move away from routine tasks toward building valuable skills. This approach means AI tools support employees rather than take over their jobs entirely. For instance, roles in software engineering are growing, with job listings surging this year as companies seek workers who can partner with AI tools effectively. So rather than losing jobs, many workers are adapting to new ways of working alongside AI. One clear trend is the rising demand for data skills. SQL remains one of the most practical skills because it allows you to manage and interpret data that AI systems generate or use. As AI handles more routine tasks, the ability to analyze, interpret, and leverage data becomes crucial. Companies want employees who can extract insights from data, optimize AI tools, and drive business value. Investing in learning data management and analysis is a smart move to future-proof your career in a world where AI is a standard tool. Recent U.S. employment data reveals a surprisingly robust job market. The figures released on April 4 showed that not only is overall employment strong, but technology sector jobs are also increasing. This counters the narrative that AI is destroying tech jobs. Instead, many companies are expanding their teams to build, manage, and improve AI systems. So if you are in tech or considering a move into software engineering, now is a prime time to enter or grow in this field. Innovations like OpenClaw illustrate how AI is evolving to better fit company settings. These AI employees understand roles, permissions, and relationships within teams. Instead of replacing humans, they assist with tasks while respecting team structures. This means future workplaces will integrate AI as collaborators, requiring workers to adapt and learn how to manage AI teammates effectively. Understanding this dynamic can help you navigate the future job market. The key takeaway is to focus on skills that AI cannot easily replace: data management, critical thinking, and teamwork. Learning SQL and other data skills gives you a practical edge. Embrace AI as a tool that augments your productivity rather than a threat. Keep an eye on growing tech roles and be ready to work alongside AI-powered systems. Continuous learning and adaptability will be your best defense and advantage in this rapidly changing job landscape. AI is transforming jobs, but it's not here to take them all away. By focusing on valuable skills like data analysis and collaborating with AI, you stay relevant and in demand. If you want to keep your career future-proof in 2026 and beyond, start learning these skills today. Subscribe for daily updates on how AI affects your world and work.